Hello, my friend. Welcome to my video. So, my friend, this time it's evening time here, okay? And I just want to share my thought, what I was thinking, okay? And the thing is that I was working right 5 minutes ago, okay? I was attending online session, okay? Because these days I'm working online business. I'm working in online business and yeah, my business is flourishing good and it's going on also good and the thing is that I'm putting so much efforts to grow my business, okay. And every day actually I sleep, I actually go to bed every day 1 o'clock, 12 and 1 o'clock every day, okay. And in the morning time I wake up at 6 7 o'clock in the morning time, and after 7 o'clock, I actually take a bath, and after that I actually start working, okay, on my mobile, okay. So I start editing some videos, okay, that I shoot yesterday, okay, yesterday night. And I also do other works, okay, like make some thumbnail and pictures, posters, and so many works actually. So many works I have to do, okay, because online business and online work is not a easy task, okay. There are so many works, okay. You If you start, then there is so many works you have to do, okay. So the thing is that if someone want to join online work, online business, okay, influence in someone actually want to start their YouTube channel, so so much work. Literally I'm saying this, there are so much work we have to do. We have to, you know we have to write down our task before night day for the next day, okay. So that is very very important, because if we do not write our task for the next day, then I actually forget, like what should I do. So that is very very important to write the task, like we can say this to-do list, okay. To-do list is very important to make to-do list, okay. So the thing is that and I just want to share one another thing. We should not keep busy every time in work. Okay, we should also take out some time for our body, for some other activities. Okay, that is very very important. So today actually I went to market to grab some fruits, vegetables, and some grocery items. Okay, so at 5 o'clock I went there. Okay, then I when I reached the vegetable shop, okay. So that vegetable shop owner, actually he's my relatives, okay. He's my relative actually. So the thing is that he actually today he was alone in his shop. So there were so many mess, okay, like so many vegetables here and there, okay, and so many carts of vegetables, okay, spreading here and there. So he actually is my relative, so I thought I should help him. So because actually I want to refresh my mind, okay. So that's why um, the thing is that in shop many customer actually come to buy vegetables, some other things, okay. So the thing is that I get a chance to talk to them, to talk a new person, okay. And how can I deliver my word, okay, and in polite way. So I just want to learn. So that's why I also spend some time there in the relatives market, okay. So that's why I go there. So actually I left shop at 9 o'clock. So I actually spent 3 hours in the market, in the shop. Then I brought one big bag of vegetable, fruits, okay, and some other grocery item, okay. And he said that take, he said take all these, Pick up what do you want, what do you want to eat, and pick up and put in the bag and take. Okay, no need to pay, no need to pay. Okay, so that's very good. That's his kindness. Okay, because he thought I actually helped him so much, so that's why he actually he gave me actually vegetables and fruits in free. Okay, so I just want to but actually the thing is that what was my reason to share all these things with you? I just want to tell you one thing, that every time no need to talk about work, every time no need to think about work. Okay, just think something else. Okay, like keep keep yourself busy in other activities. Okay, so it will be good for your health, for your mind mentally health, and also your body health. That things actually I wanted to share with you. Okay, that's why I'm shooting this video. Okay, so that's the point. Okay, and today actually today I had dinner at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. Okay, and when I reached home, so I actually every day I have to give medicine to my grandmother. She's 92-year-old. Okay, so helping poor, helping elder, okay, and helping older, this is also very very important. Okay, if you want to do good karma, okay, and if you want to be happy in a life, then do good karma and always help others, like always help helpless people, poor people, needy people. You will feel so much good, and you will feel so much satisfaction in your heart. Okay, so that is the things. Okay, so I just came to talk about my thought. So if you like my thought, if you like my thought and my video, then please like, share, and comment me. Please write something in comment. What do you think about it? Okay, and do you also spend time in other activities? Do you always keep yourself in busy? Okay, you keep yourself in work, busy in work. Okay, so just write in comment. Okay, so take care, my friend.